Django is a free and open-source web application framework designed for the Python programming language. It follows the 8 model view template architectural pattern, allowing developers to leverage all the advantages of Python. Django is known for its simplicity, flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Its primary goal is to enable fast development with minimal code. Therefore, that introductory text on its website states, Django makes it easier to build better web apps more quickly and with less code. Django is a framework that allows us to develop web applications using the Python programming language. If we look at alternative web application development frameworks, we can develop web applications using the ASP.NET Core framework with the C# programming language or the Spring framework with the Java programming language. Django is a highly preferred framework among developers due to its ease of learning and development. It provides easy access to many libraries that may be needed during development, and its popularity keeps growing thanks to its large community. With Django, you can develop web applications quickly and efficiently. It has support for multiple operating systems, allowing you to continue development as a cross-platform solution. Django is the most popular Python web framework, and its biggest advantage is the size of its community. Having a large community means there are many people using this framework, encountering numerous errors during development, and sharing or seeking solutions for them. You can find hundreds of websites with examples of Python Django applications. This means you won't have any trouble finding solutions when you encounter an error. Furthermore, the popular Django framework comes with thousands of libraries that make our work easier. It has a simple installation process and is easy to use. With its readable syntax, Django is also great for quick learning and development. Django has its own administration panel. This panel has a simple yet useful design, allowing you to perform operations such as adding, updating, and deleting data. You can also track the history of these actions within the panel. Having an administration panel is a practical solution. Performance is a critical aspect not only for Django, but for all technology products. Django is highly competent in this regard. It applies lazy loading in areas such as pagination, serialization, and database queries. Lazy loading means that unnecessary things are not called. Django also applies the lazy structure to objects. The keepLazy function is used to evaluate an object only when necessary.